Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the exact photos you want to link. Be decisive, fewer files mean faster uploads. Once chosen, open your cloud or sharing app and make sure it has permission to access photos, otherwise the process stops before it starts. Also decide why you're sharing, public link for broad access or restricted for specific viewers. Doing this upfront avoids backtracking. Finally, create a new album or folder and move your final images there so they're organized for the next steps. Now upload the album to your chosen host. Tap Upload or Sync and watch progress until all files show complete. Next, select the album and choose Share, then Create Link. Most apps label it Get Link or Copy Link. Make intentional choices, set view only to avoid edits, add an expiration if temporary, or enable a password for sensitive photos. Once the link is generated, tap Copy. If the app shows a short preview, confirm thumbnails are correct so recipients see the intended images. Paste the copied link into your chosen channel, message, email, or social post, and send it to one test recipient first so you can confirm access. If they can't open it, return to the album settings. Make sure link sharing is enabled and that folder permissions match your intent. Once done, if a specific file fails to load, re-upload that picture. Sometimes a corrupted transfer needs a fresh try. And finally, if problems persist, revoke the old link and create a new one to reset access controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.